morning, everyone. Let's take a look at some simple plant combinations. Actually, I say they're simple, and they really are. It's again going back to the basics, about 26 plants that perform well, then adding a few more newcomers to the mix. This is a beautiful one, Ranunculus acris. It's a Flore Pleno. It has, see the double flowers it has. It doesn't wander around at all so far. It's a nice mounding plant, and look at the way the flowers float in the air. And actually I have this mixed with a group of 4, a group of 7 Stachys Hummelo, and I mingle in Geranium sanguineum striatum, two in the middle and 2 here between the, you can see the Stachys Hummelo. And then I use Carex remota on the edge. And the reason I use Carex remota through the edge, as you can see, because Carex remota takes average soil to moist soil. And every time you're watering an edge, wherever 2 communities meet, that's a war zone. You got turf or gravel meeting the perennial garden. So the Carex remota has tolerated and actually thrived in moist soil, and then it hangs in there well in drier conditions. So it looks very good. And you can see how textural it is also. It does open up a little bit in the middle, but not that much at all. So it's very attractive. And then I finished it off with a Phlox called Fashionably Early. This I think is the white one. I'm not sure the additional name the market gave it. We got to give things a lot of fancy names in the market to sell it, because it's all about marketing. And I understand that's our culture. We're a market-driven culture. You got to give something a name. So that's a quick combination. Those 3 plants together, and then I stretch it out with Arcus ending it, Geranium sanguineum Max Frei, and you can see how much bigger it got in our organic soils. And then I repeat the Stachys Hummelo as I walk down the pathway. So you see Stachys Hummelo again, and then mix in Geranium Orion. So that's really about it. It's a simple combination, and the idea is you can do all this. This isn't just something you can see on Instagram and wonder, how do these people do this? The one advantage they have is they know plants. It's all about plant knowledge. Just like having friends. Having friends isn't just paying somebody to hang out with you. You have friends because they like who you are. You share so many wonderful things with them, and they come to know you and you come to know them. It's just simply coming to know something you love and applying it to who you are and what you want your future to be. So go for it. Start creating your plant combinations now, and just don't goggle at everything on Instagram and wonder how they do it. Do it yourself. Get going right now. All right, everybody. See you later.